If you need to recover your Crunchyroll account but no longer have access to your phone number, you can follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Crunchyroll login page. Go to the official Crunchyroll website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Crunchyroll account. Make sure it is the correct email that you used when creating your account, as this will be essential for receiving recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Crunchyroll. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it didn't get filtered there. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password to access your Crunchyroll account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Crunchyroll's customer support for further assistance.